Hey there, GraphicsFlow community! It's a new month, which means it's time to unwrap your April art drop, packed with fresh, high-impact designs your customers are going to love. This month's collection is packed with designs that bring the heat, just in time for summer camps, family getaways, pride celebrations, and more. Let's dive into what's new and how you can start using these designs today. Summer vacations and camps. These layouts capture the spirit of summer with designs made for movement, fun, and sunshine. Think basketball camp tees, summer skate party merch, oceanside retreat branding, and graphics perfect for activity-packed camp schedules. It's all the energy of an unforgettable summer, ready to go on a shirt. Tourism, celebrate the spirit of travel. This collection includes location-based designs inspired by coastal destinations, scenic parks, and the Southwest, ideal for local shops and travel merch. Love Out Loud, a bold and celebratory collection perfect for pride events, bachelorette weekends, or any occasion that calls for big energy and matching shirts. Gym and Fitness, appeal to fitness buffs and wellness communities with powerful, energetic designs tailored for gyms, yoga studios, and activewear brands. Sports, get game ready with beach volleyball, cycling events, archery teams, and racquetball tournaments, all with modern, print-friendly artwork. And that's your April art drop. Be sure to log into your GraphicsFlow account to explore, customize, and share these new designs with your clients. Keeping things fresh, relevant, and seasonal is a powerful way to boost reorders and attract new business, so take full advantage. We'll see you next month with more fresh designs. Until then, keep creating, keep selling, and keep standing out.